Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming membership and opening the class now. Open the Classroom app or go to Classroom. Google .com and make sure you're signed in with the correct student account. Once you see your class tiles, find the specific class you want to remove yourself from. Don't click into Settings yet. Instead, tap the three-dot menu on the class tile or the class banner on desktop. This first action begins the removal process and avoids changing the wrong class. Now you'll perform the core step, leaving the class. Tap the three-dot menu on the class tile in mobile, or click the class banner, then the More Actions menu on desktop. Choose Leave Class and confirm when prompted. This removes your enrollment immediately. If the Leave option is disabled, it means the teacher or domain admin restricted exits, so contact your teacher and request removal. Make sure to note any pending assignments before leaving so you don't lose. Finish by confirming the class is gone from your dashboard. Once done, refresh the page or sign out and back in to ensure the change synced. If the class still appears, clear the app cache or browser cache and try again. Sometimes local data delays updates. Make sure to reach out to the teacher or your domain administrator if leave was blocked. Ask them to remove you or change settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.